Hello and welcome. This is Dasir Afras from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will discuss about leader. You will be having a doubt that what is leader. So if you want to give a label to any object, you can use leader. For example, this is door elevation. So I want to give the label of door elevation here. I can use this leader option, okay? And here I want to give a label of aluminum window, for example. I can use leader. So leader is in annotation panel. This is the annotation panel and this is the option for leader. Okay. If I want to use the leader here, I will just click on this icon to activate the leader. Okay. So let's create a leader. First what I will do, I will just create a layer to create leader. Okay. I will just click here and I will create new layer. Okay. I will click here to add new layer. So I will click here and again I will just write here leader. What? Leader. Okay. And then I will give a color to it. I can give any of the color from here. Let's see. I will just give this kind of color, for example, orange color. I will click OK. And then I will make this as a current layer. Okay. So I will select this layer and then I will click here to make this as a current layer. Then I will just go here on screen. Okay. Now I want to just give a label to this one, this door. So I will activate the leader. So leader is in annotation panel. Okay. So I will click here. It will activate the leader. I will give the point where arrowhead will be. Okay. So this is the point where arrowhead will locate it. Okay. I will click here and then I will just give the second point. Okay. Where I will write the text. So I will click here again. Now you can see this is the arrow and here I can write the text. For example, I want to write here door elevation. What? Door elevation. Okay. So it is pointing toward doors, that this is door elevation. Okay. Now you can see this is the arrow and these are the text. I want to give label to this window as well. So I will write here aluminum window. I will just activate this leader again and I will just click here for first point for arrowhead and then I will give second point here. Okay. And then I will write here aluminum window. What? Aluminum window. Okay. Now if you want to just modify the leader, you can modify as well. For that you will go into the annotate tab and from here you will go into the leader panel. Okay. And this is the arrow. Okay. I will just click on here and it will open the multi-leader style manager. You can just modify from here. Okay. I will go into the modify and if you want to create new, you can create from here as well, but in next tutorial I will just talk about this one. So let's just modify this one. I will just click here. Now I will go into the leader format and from here you can just change the arrowhead size. Okay, from here you can change any of the size and from here you can change the arrowhead symbol. Okay, and if you want to just change the text as well, you will go into the content. From here you can change the text height as well. Okay, this is how you can modify the leader. I will press OK, then I will just press this one, set current, and then I will close this one. Okay, so I hope you understand this session, that how we can create a leader. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.